Yeah, I think they're gonna have to freeze. Not just kidding, that's so mean. Just leave the window open, they'll come in. Yeah, I don't know who it was, but I have a feeling it was a male. I have 2 females and 1 male. I think it was a male. He's known to do notorious things like that. So I think it was him, but I don't know. Maybe he was just too warm in bed, didn't want to get up. Still. But I'm not 100% sure it was him. But anyways. Yeah, I don't like cleaning cat poop. Soup, 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 soup. Right there. Hold that for a quick second. Actually, I'm gonna need another pocket for that one. As far as the holes, I just pretty much guessed. I didn't measure it or anything, and then I just used the first one that I punched as a, what do you call it? As a guide for the other ones. Okay, and then I would turn, and I'm thinking this one on this side. Do I want to glue it all the way, or do I want to leave it as a tuck? Decisions, decisions. And then on this one, Denise at a Tattered Dreams on Etsy has these little, because they're tea bags. And I just sprayed this one, and then I did some stamping, and I want to glue it down. So I just put this paper clip to hold it in place. So I'm thinking, I moved the camera, didn't I? Yes, I did. Oh my goodness, I think my battery, it's wanting to die. I'm gonna have to stop here. Maybe I have too much already going on this video. So let me see what's up with this phone. I think it's probably dying. But then I don't know. Let me see what's going on with this. But for now, I will let you guys go. Oh yeah, 5%. Okay. I will see you guys in a little bit. Let me connect my phone and I'll start a new video because we are finishing this today, guys. Okay? So I will see you guys in a bit. Okay? See you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.